Sexual assault is an issue that has been making headlines both locally and nationally. Understanding exactly what sexual assault is and what it is not always an obvious conclusion to make. To help tackle this issue, Thursday night, the International Student Cultural Organization held a sexual assault training in Howe Hall. Students alongside faculty members were informed about sexual assault through multimedia training and group activities.
Well, today we performed sexual assault awareness training for the international students here at Troy. So we talked about what is sexual assault, what's consent, and just how to keep them safe. And it went really well, and we were really proud to be able to do this here today.
The event was a test run on the small group to see how students reacted to the information before using the presentation at the next International Student Orientation.
We performed a small orientation here today to see it in action. The students were very engaged, and I'm very pleased with how it came out, and I'm looking forward to doing it in the fall on a bigger scale.
After clearing up the gray areas concerning sexual assault, students received tips on how to stay safe, including information on who to contact if they believe they are victims of sexual assault. A member of International Students Insurance shared what she hopes students got out of the training.
Well, I hope that they understood what consent was and that they are aware of all the resources available for them on campus and nationally.
Ashley Brown, Troy, TrojanVision News.